So hi guys, San on this side, and in this video we are going to solve this integral, that is integral of 1 over x squared minus x plus 1 dx. And this question is very simple and it's quite straightforward. So the method we are going to use is completing the square, and then using standard integration formulas. Okay, so if you observe, what I'll do is x squared minus x, and I'll add 1 by 2 squared and subtract 1 by 2 squared and plus 1 dx. Fine. And now clearly, what is this? This is x minus 1 by 2 whole squared. Simple. Okay, so our question now becomes integral of 1 over x minus 1 over 2 whole squared minus 1 over 4 plus 1 dx. This is 1 over 4 and this is 1. So what we get from this is 3 over 4. So then what we get is x minus 1 over 2 whole squared plus 3 over 4 dx. Now if you remember, integral of dx, x square minus or plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x over a plus c. Fine. And clearly we have a form like this up here. So let u is equal to x minus 1 over 2, which implies du is equal to dx, and let a equal to root 3 over 2. Fine. So if we now rewrite our question, what we get is integral of du u square plus root 3 over 2 whole squared. Yeah. Now just using this formula right here, we will now get is this is equal to 1 over root 3 by 2 tan inverse u by root 3 over 2 plus c. Now we just need to simplify this. So what we will get is 2 over root 3 tan inverse u is what? X minus 1 over 2 by 3 times 2 plus c, and this finally gives us 2 over root 3 tan inverse 2x minus 1 over root 3 plus c, and this is our final answer. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, bye.